Okay, welcome back to the second part of this first day of school. Today we are going over how to access the Launchpad and or materials for this class. So as you can see, after you access the Launchpad at home, hopefully you know how to do that. If not, I just want to let you know quickly that you go to the school website, the Palm Bay Magnet High School website, and click in the Launchpad and it will take you there. It will ask you to put your credentials, your username and your password. So it will link it to the Launchpad and all the other resources available to you. Your classes will be uploaded with the textbooks, the online textbooks that are assigned to your schedule. So this is the Launchpad with all the apps. And first of all, we're going to I want to access Google Classroom for you, because that's where you're going to find all the assignments. Okay, so you're going to recognize this Google App Share right here. You're going to click on it. I'm not going to click on it right now because I have it open. You click on it and then it will take you to this. Okay, this is my actual BPS Share powered by Google, and you all have one of these, right? If you are Spanish 2, you probably know. If you are new to the school, new to the district, you have one of these. Okay, so this is only for school related. You can share different assignments to anyone in our district, okay, through the BPS Share. So what you're gonna do now to access our classroom, your assigned Google Classroom, you're gonna go to the waffle, right? We all call it the waffle because it looks like a waffle. Then you're gonna click here and go to the classroom. It says Classroom, Google Classroom. You click on it. I'm not gonna click on it because I already have it open. You click on it and it will take me to all the classes that are assigned. Okay, you might have your science, your math class, you might have other things, and definitely you'll have your Spanish classes in here as well. Now, if you don't, then what I'll do, I will give you the code. Okay, I will give you the code for you to sign up. And once you sign up to your classroom, you'll be good to go. So let me show you what is in each one of these the materials that you have in these classes. Okay, so let's go to period 1. Okay, first period right here. Click on that and it will take me to your actual classroom. So Spanish level 2, first period, block 1. Remember, this year, each block, each semester will be a whole year, right? For this class, we'll be doing 1 year in 1 semester. So that will be block 1. All right, so here you have, as you can see, the different things that I already posted. Okay, you have the daily lessons and you also have your materials. That's what it will be showing right here. Now, if you go to the classwork right here, it says classwork, you will see the different assignments that you have. You have your class video lessons. If you click on that, you will have this video that you are watching right now. Okay, it will be here. So if you want to access it in advance, you can do it at night if you like, to find out what is it that we're going to be talking about, what is it that we're going to be learning about. Also, that will be something that we will do, the video lesson every day, the first 15 minutes, if you didn't have the opportunity to watch it previously. Okay, so what else do you have here? Your class materials. In your class materials, you have your syllabus, right? The class objective that I posted, something that I talked to you about today. The class requirements, what is it that is required for this class? Remember, everything is given to you digitally this year, such as the textbook and the workbook. Also, you have the explanation of the grading policy. If your parent wants to know how is it that you get this grade, you can show this. Also, the class rules, how we are going to be successful in this class by following the rules, and classcraft, a little explanation about classcraft. Okay, so this is what you have here, class materials. Obviously, right now it's still developing. There's going to be more things. You just have to click on it, class video lessons, class materials, and you will see all the different materials that are available for this class. Okay, so now we'll talk about the textbook, okay? Where to access the textbook. All right, the textbook looks like this, okay? Let me go a little bit down and show you how the textbook. The app is obviously, this is in your BPS Launchpad, and the app that you're looking for is this. It says HMH, okay? HMH, BPS World Languages. This is the one that you're going to click right here. Then that will take you to something like this. It's called the dashboard. Your student edition will you go to a student edition textbook, something like this. Okay, you click on it. It says student edition textbook, and it will take you to the textbook itself. Okay, now this is for Spanish 1. Okay, right here. This is how the textbook looks like. Now, the different things that you can do, if you're familiar with it, you know that you can put the page. If I assign a page 144, page 1, page 198, you can write the page right there and press enter. It will take you to that specific page. Okay, so that's how we access the textbook. Okay, so if you want to access the workbook, so to access the workbook, you're going to go to the left of your screen right here underneath contents where it says resources, and that's where you're going to find your workbook. Okay, I will assign you this workbook assignments, and you will complete them in class, and it automatically will go to me. Okay, so this is where you click here, resources. Okay, and let's say you go to vocabulary, okay, right here, and I will specify which one of these right here is the one that you have to go. Let's go to the first one just to show you, and it will generate the workbook. Okay, so here what you do, just after the lesson, you will complete this. You answer the assignments. You click C or no, C or no, depending on what is it that they're asking, and then just check them all. Okay, and it will tell you if you got it right or not. Okay, say whether you do each activity in your Spanish classroom. Andar en patineta. Andar en patineta. ¿Sí? ¿No? ¿Sí? Okay. Leer un libro. ¿Sí? Estudiar. ¿Sí o no? ¿Sí? Comprar un helado. ¿Sí? Aprender el español. ¿Sí? And then after you complete that, you just check, and it will tell you if the incorrect items, none. Item 1 and item 4, they are incorrect apparently. But after the lesson, after you teach a lesson, then you will have a better option how to answer these questions, right? So that's how you access the workbook. Again, let's go and review. In order to enter your textbook, you go to the HMH app right on the Launchpad. After you click on that, okay, it will take you to a screen that looks like this, and you will click and it says Student Textbook Edition. You click on that, and it will take you to the textbook itself. Okay, right here, if I assign you a specific page, you will type the number right here and press enter. If I assign you something from the workbook, you go to the left side where it says resources, right? Click on resources, and based on what is it that I assign you, you pick either comparación cultural, vocabulario, gramática, todo junto, repaso de la lección, right? And then complete the assignment. And again, this assignment will go straight to me, so you don't have to worry about anything else. All right, the same thing. Now, the same thing when I assign you something from the textbook. Let's talk about that. Okay, let's go to this page. Now, in this page, we are going to review greetings and learn some greetings for you Spanish ones, right? So now, if this is too small for you, there is an area right here where it says the page view. Just click on page view and make it a little better, a little bigger. Okay, there we go. That's even better. So now you actually can see, right? Okay, then you click again on that, so that disappears, and you have the goal, the objective. Here we're gonna learn about friends and family in Spanish and how to speak in different countries and how they greet each other, right? How they say goodbye, hello, hola, goodbye, adios, hola, adios, right? Okay, so let's look at this. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? Mal. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Please repeat. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? Bien, ¿y tú? Mal. Bien, mal. Bien, mal. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? Bien, mal. Bien, mal. Escuchemos. Now, if you ever want to hear it before you go ahead and repeat it, you can hear the whole conversation by clicking on the audio right here.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? Mal.
That was the conversation, right? Okay, let's listen to these two dudes right here, what they are saying. Okay, let's listen to them.
B. Hola, Miguel. ¿Qué tal? Hola, ¿qué pasa?
Let's listen to them one more time.
B. Hola, Miguel. ¿Qué tal? Hola, ¿qué pasa?
As you notice, they are greeting each other, right? A good way to say, how's it going? Is, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? How's it going? It's kind of informal, right? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Means, how are you? ¿Qué tal? Is, how's it going? What? And Miguel says, hola, ¿qué pasa? What's up? ¿Qué pasa? What's up? Right? Now, let's look at these ones right here.
C. Hasta luego, Ana.
Hasta luego.
C. Hasta luego, Ana.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Tell me, hasta luego seems to me like they're saying hello or they're saying goodbye. Yes, goodbye. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. See you soon. That is the translation to see you soon. Hasta luego. Remember, if you're a Spanish student, you remember that the letter H is silent, it's mute. In other words, it doesn't have a sound. Okay? It's just there. So you don't say hasta or you don't say hola. You say hasta, hola. Okay? Let's listen to this conversation, this gentleman and this lady right here. Let's see what they're saying.
D.
Adiós.
Adiós, señorita.
One more time.
D.
Adiós.
Adiós, señorita.
Adiós. Adiós. Adiós, señorita. What do you think they're saying? They saying hello? Or they saying goodbye? Hello? Goodbye. Hola. Adiós. Adiós, señorita. They're saying goodbyes, correct? So,